quarter mile, turn right onto North Oso Blanco Road.
Dito kami. Tapos ito na. Ito subdivision. Tapos
Pasok
dyan
ka
na.
dyan.
Oh.
Tapos, ang number. Wait, what was the number?
At the next stop sign, turn
I
right.
forgot.
8738.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left.
Pero iba to.
Mag-left ka din dyan eh.
Ay, oo, yung sinabi ko sa'yo.
Go past the stop sign,
Oh.
then turn left.
Mag-left ka din dyan.
Tingin si Martha.
Serious lang. One way.
Turn left.
Yan, one way yan dyan.
Ay, oo, yung...
Dyan tayo dumaan eh. Sa kabila eh.
Oo, yung sa kabila naman,
At the
no?
next light, continue straight.
Oo.
Alam ko na
Parang
yun.
mas maganda doon.
Oh, mas maganda doon.
Ano?
Kasi hindi ka na ikaliko papuntang school.
Oo.
Medyo malayo doon.
Kita ako, bears.
Oo, kasi nandito tayo agad na eh.
Kita ako, bear.
Eh?
Ah,
Saan?
yan.
At the light, use the middle lane to merge onto Bruce Woodbury Beltway.
Tatlo, bear.
Sir?
Tatlo.
Ito nga yung middle lane. Naalala ko.
Continue straight.
Pwede mo makita ang mountains.
Saan?
Yan.
Ah,
Wala guys.
ice.
Ah,
Summer na eh. Wala nang ice.
wala na.
Anong ginagawa ni baby boy? Ay,
Eh? Record? Kukuk?
Kyo-kyo.
Ah, Kyokyo. Sabi niya.
Ah. Baka he meant to say kyo-kyo.
In 1.3 miles, take exit 40 onto Jones Boulevard.
This is the same way to Costco. This way is a shortcut. Because we
Costco.
kita tayo ng sweets sa Costco. This is it. So now we know where to go. If we want to go to Costco, we go like right here if there's a Costco and the sweets. On top of a big mountain.
May plug.
Look,
Tower man yata yan.
Take the exit.
meron doors.
Seat 40.
Bakit meron doors, Daddy?
Saan?
Yan.
Yan sila dada.
At the light, use the right lane to turn onto North Jones Boulevard.
Sila daan.
Turn right, then take the first left onto West Azure Drive.
I see a playhouse.
At the light, turn left onto West Azure Drive.
Costco na.
Yellow. Sa pagpunta tayo sa Costco, dyan tayo.
In half a mile, turn left onto North Bradley Road.
Punta tayo sa Costco. Ito sa langgan ng Easy Shore.
Stop sign, turn left onto North Bradley Road.
Sunshine in my pocket. Sunshine in my pocket.
In half a mile, turn right onto West Rome Boulevard.
There is sunshine in my pocket.
Sabi niya.
Talking siya to monkey.
Monkey?
We're going to see
Turn right onto West Rome Boulevard.
Kotse pare.
In a quarter mile, turn right into the parking lot.
Yung mga bump.
It's way.
Si pare.
Ang laki ng mga space nila. Space ng mga bahay nila. Ang laki ng lote.
We're at the bumpy. We're at the speed hump.
Hump.
Ala!
Gusto mo to? Gusto mo yung Humpy Dumpy?
Sabi niya to.
Si Pipi pare. Bu.
Oh, another hump.
Humpy Dumpy.
Humpy Dumpy sana na wow. Humpty Dumpty sana wow.
Ending navigation.
Ay, ayun nga. Alis din.
Lari trip. Lari trip. Lari re re re.
Smith?
Busy yung mga ganitong oras. Alas 2 na eh. Double.
Ako, tek.
Wala.
Ano?